First, we have to go to the Firefox browser, then search Instagram in Google bar. Then click Login Instagram. This is my Instagram account. You have to log in your own account. Here we can't see any options for upload photo like we see in the mobile phones. Now we have to click right and then select inspect element, or we can select web development and find the toggle tools and click it. Some other window will pop up. We don't have to change anything. Just find the mobile icon and click on it. Now we have to select responsive and select any of them. I select Galaxy S9. Okay, just refresh the page. Now we can see, now we can see the option like mobile phones. Okay, now click on home icon. This is my home page. Okay, now let's upload a photo. I select blue water for upload. Yes, everything looks good. Now we have to click next. And now write something and click on share. Yes, my photo was uploaded. If we go to my profile, then we can see the uploaded photo. For other browser, we have to follow the same steps.